Today we are going to compare 3 of the top memecoin trading platforms right now: BullX Neo, GMGN, and Autosnipe AI. These platforms all share a lot of the same features, but they all do it in a slightly different way, and they all have some of their own unique features as well. So first I'm going to compare all the features that these platforms have in common, and then I'm going to move on and show you the unique features of each different platform. Of course, the links to all of these platforms will be in the description and the pinned comment down below, and the Autosnipe link will actually get you 10% off of your trading fees forever. Alright, let's start here on what I would call the standard pump fund interface. All of the platforms have a page which looks very similar to this. It shows you new pump fund launches over here, then we have tokens that are about to migrate, and over here we have tokens that have migrated. As you can see, we're currently on the Autosnipe platform, and there's a few things that I like about this platform in particular. One of them you might have noticed already is this little green icon that we have here. If you hover over it, it says safe to snipe. What that basically means is that the dev wallet of this token hasn't rugged any tokens in the past. Now you'll notice sometimes this icon shows up as red like it does down here, and that means that that token is highly likely to rug because that dev wallet has rugged tokens in the past. So you'll probably want to avoid those. Now obviously a green icon is definitely not a guarantee that a token is going to be safe. You still need to do your own research on every token you want to buy, but it is a nice little extra indicator to have in your arsenal. And if you want, you can actually go up to the filters here and filter out all of the tokens that are marked as scams or rugs. I'm personally quite a big fan of the UI over here on Autosnipe. You have a lot of useful information and also a very extensive list of filters. I would say probably the most extensive list of filters on all of the 3 platforms. So that does give you a lot of options to customize the tokens that you get in your feed. Now if we click on the token here, we go into our trading interface. You can see obviously the chart over here, and then we can either market buy or a limit order over here. If we scroll down, you also get some basic security checks and info down at the bottom here. Now one thing Autosnipe has that the other platforms don't, if we look in our advanced settings here, you'll notice by default our priority fee is set to AI optimized, which can be really helpful especially for beginners who don't necessarily know what buy and sell fees they should be using. We actually have 2 AI options here, either AI optimized or AI bullet. In my experience, the AI bullet fees seem to work really well. I think it's slightly higher than the AI optimized one, but it is very good for getting your transactions through quickly, which you want especially for meme coin trading. So overall, I think Autosnipe is a really strong option. I think their UI is really clean and user-friendly, even for beginners. You're not completely overloaded with info and you don't need to worry about getting the right fees. Anyway, we'll come back to Autosnipe in a little bit to show you some of the unique features that they have. For now though, let's head over to BullX Neo. Here we are on the pump fund interface again. Obviously very similar in a lot of ways to Autosnipe. I would say the main obvious difference with BullX is you can see a nice preview of the chart here on this page, and also we have both pump fund and moonshot pairs shown here as well. In terms of the info we have about each token, it is much the same as Autosnipe and other platforms. Stuff like our top 10 holding percentage, dev percentage, insider percentage, snipers, and all that kind of stuff. On BullX, you can also customize the info that you want to see. Everything is on by default, but if you want, you can turn off some of these options just to get a bit of a cleaner experience. And that is something I definitely like to see the other platforms offer as well. If we take a quick look at the filters, again we have quite an extensive list of filters to choose from. Not quite as big as Autosnipe, but still a very good list. And on BullX you can even search keywords in here, which could be useful if you're looking for a specific meta. Alright, if we click on a token, we'll bring up our trading interface again. Straight away you can see there's quite a lot going on here. I wouldn't say it's really as user-friendly as Autosnipe. It could be a bit intimidating, especially for beginners. Although we do get a lot of useful information like detailed info on holders, top traders over here, and they even have bubble maps integrated directly into the platform, which is a really useful tool if you want to kind of visualize the token distribution and see potential clusters of connected wallets. For your trading options, you have either market buy, limit order, or you have a DCA option over here. And of course, all your fee options down here, albeit it's not the most obvious. Keep in mind the default fees are set quite high on BullX, and also the bribe is turned on by default, so you will probably want to go in to adjust these settings. Anyway, we'll be back with BullX Neo a little bit later. For now, let's move on to GMGN. Again, very similar layout, very similar information shown. You can choose either pump fun, or we can go over to moonshot tokens. Some of the info that we get on GMGN is a bit more subtle than the other platforms, although they do have a few useful things. Like this yellow people icon, for example, shows you if a token is a community takeover, and this yellow X icon over here shows you if a Twitter account has been renamed, which could suggest that they're reusing an account from a previous scam. In terms of filtering these lists, GMGN doesn't offer a lot compared to the other two platforms, although it does still have the main filters that most people will be looking for. Okay, if we click on a token to bring up the trading interface, I have to just say it right off the bat, I really hate the trading UI on GMGN. I just think it looks really messy and overwhelming. There's just way too much going on, which is really a shame because from what I've heard from other people, it is actually one of the quicker trading tools out there right now. And they do offer probably the most detailed info on their trading interface, as well as multi-charts and KOL tracking. But honestly, just why would I want to use this UI? It looks so bad. It makes everything look way more complex than it actually is. Anyway, now that we've seen the main trading interface, let's take a quick look at the unique features that each platform offers. Okay, let's start back here with Autosnipe. One of the most unique things Autosnipe offers is their AI snipers. I've actually done several videos in the past going over this in detail, which you can check out on my channel afterwards. Basically, it's an automation tool which automatically buys all of the tokens which match your set parameters. Then it automatically sells them again based on the take profit and stop loss targets that you chose, whilst also using AI to optimize your fees and get you the best slippage. Next up, they have this new trader lens feature. This basically allows you to analyze the trading performance of any wallet over the last 7 days, showing you some basic info on their biggest wins, biggest losses, total P&L and win rate, as well as the amount they invested and the fees they paid. Finally, Autosnipe offers a very easy to use copy trading feature. All you need to do is paste in your target address, click enter, then configure all of these settings however you like and click activate, and then it will automatically copy the trades of any trader you like. Alright, back over to BullX Neo. Obviously their main thing is their pump fund trading interface over here, NeoVision. But if we look down here, they also offer a wallet tracker, which is fairly self-explanatory, lets you follow and track certain wallets. And finally, they also offer a Twitter tracker down here. At the moment, this just shows you a live crypto Twitter feed, which is nice for getting a general idea of what's going on in the market. And it looks like coming soon, you'll also be able to follow specific accounts. Alright, finally moving on back to GMGN. Apart from their normal meme and trending pages, GMGN also offers quite a good copy trading tool. They've got several different lists down here of the top performing traders that you might want to copy. Although do keep in mind that's not generally the best way to do it, because to be honest, a lot of these guys are just farming copy traders, so their numbers might look good, but in reality you'll probably get wrecked trying to copy them. Although just like Autosnipe, you can also copy an address that you found somewhere else and then paste it into the search bar up here. Then if we click into this wallet, it will give you a quick analysis of the wallet, although it doesn't show you the best and worst trades like you get with the trader lens on Autosnipe. You do also have the option to follow this wallet up here if you don't necessarily want to copy their trades, but you want to see their trading activity. On GMGN, you also have this monitor feature, which is very similar to the wallet tracker we had on BullX. Although I would say this is probably more detailed than the BullX one. You can do a few different things with this. If we go over to this smart section here, this basically shows you tokens that whales known as smart money are buying. Or if you go over to this KOL section, then this is going to show you some of the tokens that popular influencers are trading. Finally, they have the follow feature up here. That's fairly self-explanatory. You can probably imagine what that does. You just put in a wallet and you can follow it and set up alerts for that wallet. So that's a quick overview of all the different platforms. It's hard to say which one is really the best. I think that's subjective and based on the features you're looking for and your taste in UI. Personally, I think Autosnipe has the most user-friendly UI, so it could be the best option for beginners or potentially just more experienced traders who are looking for a clean and simple interface. Well, some people might appreciate some of the extra info available on BullX Neo and GMGN. It's really just down to your personal preference. I think all three of them are solid platforms. Anyway, I will leave links to all three of them in the description or the pinned comment down below. I am partnered with Autosnipe, so their link will get you 10% off your trading fees as well if you do want to check it out. That being said, if you did like the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Also, you can join the free Telegram group, which I'll have linked down in the description as well. For now though, I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.